So I'll be discussing with you today what all tags, list, link, table, images, everything will be included to create one complete web page. Clear? I start the revision and everybody view it very carefully. See here, this is the complete coding of the web page. As per the CBSE board exam criteria, you always have one lengthy question on web page coding, maybe in the weightage of 5 or 10. It will be a heavy weightage question in the board examinations, complete coding, right? And I also show you the web page that you are to make. What web page is actually expected in the revision? This is the web page. This is the web page. I hope it is clearly visible to everybody. You can see the title, the paragraph, the hyperlinks, image, and see the alignment of the image. It is on the right side. Then you can see the table also, and along with the table you can see this bottom message where I have used the mail to command, right? Is it clearly visible to everybody? All right, now I start the coding. First of all, see the formatting. Make one thing very sure: in programming questions, be very careful regarding formatting. If formatting is not proper, maybe your web page is correct, some portion of marks will get deducted. See here how to start. First of all, we start with the HTML tag. Inside the HTML, we take head tag. Inside the head tag, we take title tag. Whatever title will be given to you, you will write the title of the web page over here. This is the title of the web page, which will get displayed in the browser title bar. In whichever browser you will view your web page, on the top of the web browser, there is a title bar where this title will be visible. Then this head tag closes. See the way how I have written HTML tag, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा अंदर head tag और उसके बाद उसके अंदर जाकर title tag. See the way, see the formatting I have used. This is the clear formatting which is expected from you people also. Then body tag. I have taken BG color silver. This is the background color of the web page. Now see here, I am provided with the color of A link, V link and link. V link stands for visited link, A link stands for active link, and all these three attributes, A link, V link and link, they are the attributes of body tag. They are the attributes of body tag. So I have taken them over here. A link I have taken blue color, V link I have taken red color, link I have taken green color, right? But by default link is in blue color, A link is in red color, V link is in purple. Clear? But here in the question I have taken these colors. Now this is my heading, Andhra Pradesh dishes. This is my heading of the web page. I show you the web page also. Andhra Pradesh dishes. The heading is in yellow color. The heading is in H1 size. The heading is bold. Clear? So H1, I took the align attribute of H1 center. Then I take the bold tag. Then in the next line, I take font face Arial and I take the color yellow. This is the color of the heading. Heading is of Arial font. Heading is of yellow color. And heading is in H1. Then this is my heading, Andhra Pradesh dishes. You can write heading somewhat inward. Then I close the bold tag. I close the heading element tag. I close the font tag. This is the area of heading. This is the area of heading. Clear? Now here I close the font tag because my rest of the font is in brown color, is of the size 5 and font Arial. So again I am taking the font tag for the rest of the text, right? Now, first of all, I have to place this image in the right side. I have to place this image in the right side. Clear? So I have set here the image command, image src. This is the location of the image as it is saved in my laptop. In my laptop, I have saved this image in the KGWing file, which is on desktop, and this is the complete path of the image. Wherever you will insert you will save the image in your computer, you have to use that path. Now here I have taken align right because I have to set my image on the right side. Then height of the image, and this is the width of the image. Clear? Image you have to insert in the beginning. If your image is on the right side, first step is to insert the image. Then you start the rest of the text. Now here I have taken the paragraph tag and I have taken the align attribute of paragraph tag and I have taken the value justify. Justify means from left side, from right side, the paragraph is evenly divided. Clearly see the paragraph in the browser window. From the left side, from the right side, the paragraph is properly evenly distributed. It is not there that from left side more space is left and from right side more space is left. Proper balance of space, proper evenly distributed space from left as well as right. So I have taken the value justify of align attribute of paragraph tag. Now this is the paragraph. This is the matter, some introduction matter regarding Andhra Pradesh dishes. Now here I close. Here I have taken the BR because after this line in the paragraph, after this line, I want this line to appear in the next line. Where I finish this word chutneys, I want a break. Then in the next line, I want this line. You can see in the web page, this line is coming in the next line. So here, after this word chutneys, I apply the BR tag. Up till here, am I clear to everybody? Am I clear to each and every child? All right. Then moving further, now I start creating the hyperlinks. The language of hyperlink is, these are the dishes of Andhra Pradesh. These are the famous dishes of Andhra Pradesh. When you will access internet, you will get to know these names. Pulihora, curd rice, gongura pickle. There are many more dishes of Andhra Pradesh. I have chosen these three. These are hyperlinks. Now, hyperlinks have been created in the list form. Hyperlinks have been created in the list form. So what I have to do, I will take OL because it is in 1, 2, 3 form. So I will take order list, li, first list item. Here I will take the external link command and I am speaking the command for hyperlink. Pulihora hyperlink is linked with the page1.html. Pulihora hyperlink is linked with the web page1.html. So this is the language which clearly shows that your question is of external link. So how to create external link? Ahref equal to name of the web page to which you want to get connected. Then your hyperlink, close your anchor tag, finally close your list item. Then second list item, second command of hyperlink. Here I have connected with the page2.html and curd rice is my hyperlink. I close my anchor tag, I close my list tag. Then similarly, the third command for hyperlink. Here I am connected with page3.html and my hyperlink is Gongura pickle. I close my anchor tag and I close my list item tag. I show you the browser view. See here. When I click on this hyperlink, I will get connected to the other web page. That web page I haven't created, right? Now automatically these hyperlinks get underlined. Automatically the hyperlink get underlined. You don't have to use underline tag for hyperlinks. Hyperlinks पर underline tag मत लगाना. Hyperlinks are automatically underlined. Now, after closing my hyperlink section, I come down. Now I'm in the center of web page where I want to create the table. See the table. This is the table and this famous dishes. This is the caption of the table. Now I am given instructions for the table. Border 4. Color of the border is red. Height of the table is 300. Width of the table is 300. Height of the table is 300. Width of the table is 300. Right? Now this is the caption. One mistake which students do, they write caption before the table tag. Caption is to be written after the table tag. See here, I have taken the caption tag after the table tag. After the table tag. Right? Now this is the first row. Since my first row is the header row, first row is bold, first row is centrally aligned. So my first row is the header row. I have taken TH over here. I have taken TH over here. Right? Clear? If suppose you are asked that header row is of yellow color, so you can apply BG color over here. You can apply BG color over here to make your header row of yellow color. One thing I want to tell you here, when your complete row is in center, when your complete row is in center, always take align attribute in the TR tag. Why to take align every time in the TD tag? आपकी पूरी रो centrally aligned है, तो why you are taking align attribute separately for every TD tag? Only one time write align attribute inside the TR tag. It will affect the entire row. Clear? This is my second row. Now this is another dish of Andhra Pradesh, Kandi Podi. This is another dish of Andhra Pradesh. Then in the third row, I have taken a third dish, Ulava Charu. This is also the Andhra Pradesh dish. Here I close my table tag. This is the complete area of my table area. This is the complete section of my table tag. I show you the table tag over here. Am I clear up till here, class? Carefully view the table. Am I clearly to everybody? All right, I move further. Now, here I have applied HR. After the table, I have applied HR. Now for the HR, I am given instructions, size 4, and let us take the color. I am taking here blue color. I am taking blue color for HR. Now I have not taken the width attribute. I have not taken the width attribute of HR. By default, HR covers the full screen. I show you here. By default, HR covers the full width of the screen. Clear? Now, after the HR, I again apply the center tag. Now I came in the center of the web page and I have taken font size 4, face Arial black, because my bottom message, see the bottom message. See this bottom message. My bottom message is for further queries, mail us. For further queries, mail us. Now mail us is hyperlink. For further queries is a normal text. Mail us is hyperlink. The hyperlink mail us is associated with the email. That email is foodbonanza@food.com. foodbonanza@food.com. This is the email ID to which my web page is connected. Now, how to write mail to? This part is simple. You write like this. Then start the anchor tag href equal to double quotes mail to colon, write the email ID which is given to you and close the double quotes. See here carefully the command for the mail to. Then this is the hyperlink mail us. When you will click on this hyperlink, email message window will appear where you can send the mail. Now I close the anchor tag and I close the center tag. I close the font, I close the body, I close the HTML. And this is the complete web page. Complete web page I have shown in front of you. I give you 1 minute, carefully observe it. And if you have any queries, you can ask me. Clear? Am I totally clear? Now I show you this web page in Internet Explorer. There I will tell you the clear use of A-link and V-link. See here. See the coding. When I will click on this hyperlink, notice the change of the color. Notice the change in the color. Right? When you click on the link, it becomes active. And when you move to the other link, the previous link turns the color of the visited link because you have already visited that link. Am I clear? Am I totally clear? 10th class with the web page revision. Now I show you the coding once again. See the way I have written the coding. What you people do, you write so many tags in one line. Like for example here, if I write, if I take this H1 align B, what you will do? You will take this font tag in the same line. Then you will take this title also in the same line. See the hodgepodge you have created. So much confusion you have created. Totally unreadable. Your each and every tag must be clear to the examiner. This is what I mean by formatting. Don't take more than 2 tags in one line. Your coding may be 100% correct, but if your formatting is not proper, you will lose marks. I am telling you in advance. If formatting is not there, you will lose some marks.